let's know what is next after ectopic pregnancy. So many of them will have a doubts that, madam, can we get a natural pregnancy post ectopic? So the answer would be yes. So first thing, why does the ectopic happens is because when the egg and the sperm which is met in the tube will not migrate into the uterus. The pregnancy starts growing within the tube, then the risk is of ectopic is diagnosed and the chances of ectopic is diagnosed. And once we diagnose the ectopic, what best management have been done is the next question. Was it a medical management or a surgical management? If it was a medical management, the next pregnancy should be delayed at least for 3 months. If it is a surgical management, definitely the chances of pregnancy, the subsequent pregnancy to come will be little earliest. So definitely chances of natural conception will definitely be seen after an ectopic pregnancy. Second question, madam, how is the risk of ectopic in the next tube? This is rightly answered as the risk compared to the normal population, risk of ectopic is higher than the normal people for the other tube. This is because certain amount of infection which has happened in one tube might have also been infected the other tube. So probability of ectopic is slightly higher. So next what? If the tube is good, the other tube is good, and the tubal patency is good, tubal contour, when I say tubal contour, if there is no hydrosalpinx or there is no dilatation of the tube, if all are good, definitely you can go ahead planning for natural conception with a small follicular tracking if it is getting delayed.